This is a what's in the box video for Ganz Schon Glever. That's pretty clever in English. A dice, I guess a roll and write game for 1 to 4 players by the extremely hot designer right now, Wolfgang Warsch. So let's see what's in the box. And by the way, there's also an app for this game. I have the that's pretty clever too, or whatever it is, app, and it's pretty good. It's a little bit kludgy to figure out the first time, but after that it's pretty easy to use. So so in here we just have the instructions, which I guess are done in the same style. We have the scoring pads, so everything that you can cross off with scoring on the back. We have the not so great, I mean, I guess it's a cheap game, so not so great dice. You have this tray for putting the dice on, and some really probably exceptionally bad pens, which I guess everyone has probably better pens. I don't even know why they include them anymore. So there you have it. That's what's in the box for Ganz Schon Glever. That's pretty clever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe.